running through that beautiful minor scale. Now what we want to do though is give it a tweak. Okay, so we'll have our chord changes here to a dominant. Might be going, what is that about? What I've actually done is changed from this Phrygian into a Phrygian dominant. Okay, that way I've actually changed myself into the harmonic minor scale. So what we're going to do now is right on that fourth chord, we're going to actually change into your harmonic minor. So now you can play along with the backing track here, have a practice of that. What it is going to sound like towards the end there is that really subtle that change, and it sounds really nice with that. So all right, so have a little play with that run. So and something you'll notice here, as soon as I've got this note, I've actually got that beautiful little harmonic minor sweep there. So we can have the and it just sends it off. It absolutely is awesome.